What things happened?
Somebody that I had been staying with, taking care of, he passed away, and he was like a father figure to me. Where after that, I was evicted from the property, shot and killed 9 of my dogs.
All right, who is here on Angie Ford? All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, have her come down. Angie Ford? So counsel, are you ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
Well, I am, Judge.
All right, court is calling. Court is calling 2021 CR 4750, State of Texas versus Angie Ford. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar, State of Texas.
Brent Harvey for Miss Ford.
And are you Angie Marie Ford?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ford, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? All right, you seem to be looking towards your attorney. It's this document that states what you're on probation for and what the state is saying you did not complete. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you understand it? Are you the same Angie Marie Ford who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4750 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on July 20th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violating condition number 5, in Bear County, Texas. Defendant Angie Marie Ford, defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as corrected for the month of June 2024 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Statement followed by.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Judge, to extend the defendant's probation for 18 months. First have the defendant go through a mental evaluation and a drug court evaluation. And with either of those, she's not placed in the drug court to then have her drug Saturday.
All right, is that the proposed agreement?
That is the agreement, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ford, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth? So help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Sure.
All right, do you have any family support? So what drugs have you been using?
It was crystal meth.
Okay. And how often were you using?
I had stopped for quite a period of time, and but recently I've had a lot of things happen in a short span of time, and I did start using again right up until my arrest.
What things happened?
Somebody that I had been staying with, taking care of, he passed away, and he was like a father figure to me. Where after that, I was evicted from the property, shot and killed 9 of my dogs, put water in my gas tank. I didn't have no job. My truck was not running, so I was living in my truck, and it became overwhelming. It became really overwhelming. Instead of reaching out for help like I should have done, I ended up back in an old neighborhood, and started using again. I couldn't handle everything all at once, and that's when I did not check in. The probation officer asked me to check in, and I guess I felt like because I didn't have support anymore, I kind of gave up, honestly.
All right. Probation,
Yes, sir.
what are you requesting on this case?
This as as for indicated, the extension of 18 months, drug court evaluation in custody, big evaluation in custody, and if not accepted into drug court status. That was the last recommendation for the TAP evaluation judge.
Okay. All right, and this person you were staying with that you say you were taking care of, how were you being paid?
Well, the room and board, and then he paid for any expenses, $1,300 was paid. And he would, the following week was, he was, gonna pay the rest of my probation fees, and he passed away.
All right, so did he pass away because he had medical issues and that's why you needed to take care of him?
Yeah, he had a heart attack.
All right, so probation and everybody, I want to make this clear because as part of your conditions of probation, you're not allowed to be a home health care provider. You're not allowed to be around minors or any type of employment with minors. And you're not allowed to be around vulnerable persons. A person who has a heart attack, a person who needs someone to care for them, that's a vulnerable person. And that's not allowed in this court when you're on felony probation. Do you understand? All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 5 true. The court is going to deny the motion, extend for 2 years. And again, and I'm underlining it, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. She is not allowed to be taking care of vulnerable persons. And if there's an adult that needs her to take care of them, they are per se vulnerable people. Otherwise, they could take care of themselves. There is in custody. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court. Is there a need for an updated TAP or no?
No, judge, your TAP is still good.
All right, if she's not accepted into felony drug court, she needs to go to safety. And you wanted a mental health evaluation, probation? And mental health evaluation, that will be in custody. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I was gonna ask for a faith-based program, for referral to something faith-based. That has been a huge, factor for me. I'm in Bible school on the outside, and I continue to do my classes and everything here, so something faith-based would be really helpful.
All right, so let me explain something to you. If you could write your own program, you wouldn't be here on a motion to revoke. So you don't get to write your own program. You are either going to felony drug court. If felony drug court does not accept you, then you are going to safety. That's what's going to happen. And what's with the tattoo on your neck?
By God's grace.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else that you need from the court? Probation, anything else?
No, judge.
All right. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank
Miss
you.
Deaton,
I
welcome.
appreciate it.
Yes, thank you. Always good seeing you.
You too, Judge.
Are you feeling better?
You know, I'm not.
Oh my gosh.
Well, it's from diabetes. Sometimes it acts out and it's really a pain. Anyway, have a great day.
All right, you choose.
And we keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We tryna catch out like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss.